You're scaring off the pigeons. You gotta be damn hungry to wait in line for this crap. No more! We can't be seen talking to each other. This doesn't look good. They're looking for your car!
Drive safely.
This is bullshit. Freeman! Ammo! Freeman, ammo! Here, ammo! Take some ammo! Take some ammo! Oh my god, it's Freeman!
Get out of the way! Get down!
Can't you see I'm busy?
I wish I had a dime for every time somebody said that. Get the hell out of here! Should we bury him here?
How could one man have slipped through your force's fingers? Time and time again? How is it possible?
No, we're really gonna
This
get it.
is not some agent provocateur or highly trained assassin.